here. Dad, I want to go in there and dig it. Salad. Look all the vegetables we have. A lot of vegetables. They're healthy. We also need more vegetables. What is this? What is it, Dad? Whatever. Don't need that. Healthy. Tomato. Healthy. Tomatoes are healthy. Got on the basket. I'm going to dig in, fans. Goodbye. I'm actually going in. Healthy. Put on the basket. Look. Coke. What is it, Dad? Coke? It's Coke. Right here, friends. What was that? Dad, let's keep eating. Got to get them out. It cannot get out, guys. So do not squish them in here. Do not. Only put 2. That's good, so you can get them out. Cannot get these out. Do not try this at home, kids. Not get it out. Whatever. What's in here? What? Chicken. Kind of healthy. Oopsie. I'm gonna get. I found batteries in there. Found batteries. I found batteries, YouTubers. That's pretty funny. Funny. Now let's get back in there and dig it. Okay, be on the other side now. Gotta switch. Now gotta switch sides now. Dairy YouTubers, here we go. It's kind of weird in here. That is good. Now let's get to cooking. Ow. And there's one more thing we need. What? We have one. So let's go. YouTubers, but we put this on. See? Boom! Now I'm gonna make a big salad for my brother. Because he's my king. But first of all, we need more vegetables. And I'm going to cook some corn for my brother. And now let's put the lid. Let's put these to cooking. Now I'm going to make some tea. I'm going to use this as tea. While it's doing that, I'm going to get more. That's enough. Now let's get. There we go. Now we need a lid. There's a lid. There's a lid. Lid. Ding, ding, ding. It's ready. Oh, yeah, I forgot. We need this so it doesn't not hot. Wait, we need it the other way. Yeah. Oh, it's hot. No, we actually need almost like that. Wow! My brothers eat watch action. It's healthy for you. Now, let's cook some chicken. Let's do that. I'm going to put the salad in here. Salad. Oh! It's getting out. That's good. Now I have some corn. This can be edible. Corn. Accessible. No. Shh. Where's the lid? Oh, here it is. Excuse me. Excuse me. Now, let's get a spoon. Just a spoon. There we go. Do we have a plate? I got a plate. I got this. I can get a plate. Look at a plate, guys. Right there. Got a plate. It's not really a plate, but it's just this. It's this. I'm just gonna use. There we go. Put this on. brother. Okay, give a scooch. Scooch a little bit. Scooch. Chicken. I guess we don't need this. Don't need corn anymore. Put this on here whenever you pour it out. Now his drink. There's one more thing that's missing. Now there it is empty. Yeah. Now let's go serve it to my brother. Oh yeah. Dad, can you open the door for me?